Hello Peeps! It's our first show for the year. I've got Charlie and we're celebrating Australia Day. Who doesn't love a barbie with snags and prawns and maybe a game of cricket in the backyard?
Ah, golden duck!
Today we'll be cooking up a homegrown favourite, the Aussie meat pie. Before we get started, I would like to acknowledge and give thanks to the traditional custodians of this great land and acknowledge elders past and present. Australia Day is all about celebrating its great nation, the land, lifestyle, freedom, and of course, its people. Australia Day means different things to many Aussies, with many stories to be told. I'll tell you mine a little bit later on. Today I've decided to make an Aussie lamb pie. It's a little bit different, but it's going to be tender and delicious. We're also supporting our Aussie farmers. I know Sam Kekovich would approve.
Serve lamb on Australia Day. You know it makes sense. I'm Sam Kekovich.
To start off, we're going to use the crock pot to do the meat saucing. I've popped a bit of oil in and we're just heating that up now, and I'm going to chop up some onion and some garlic. So I've got a few little sprigs here of garlic. I'm just going to take off the outside skin and we'll just chop those up into little finely diced pieces. I love the smell of garlic. We've got the garlic all chopped up, so there's about one clove of garlic, should be plenty, and we're going to pop that into the crock pot. I'll just get that started. And we've got one onion chopped up. So we'll just add all that together. Da-da-da-dee-da, da-da-da-dee-da. I can't sing this song for copyright reasons. So while we're waiting for the crock pot to heat up and the onion and the garlic to mix together, I'm just going to get a little bit of thyme, and we're going to get that, and I'll just start picking off all the sprigs. We can even chop it up. It doesn't really matter. It's however it's more for flavour. All right, I've just got the diced lamb out of the fridge, the good old lamb. I'm going to pop that into the crock pot now. So that's a kilo of diced lamb. And we're just going to let that cook. So while that's cooking away there, we're just going to add 1.5 cups of beef stock. The next thing I need to do is add 1.5 cups of water. Just cold water is fine. Then we're going to add 2 bay leaves. The next thing we're going to do is add about a tablespoon of thyme. So now all the ingredients is in the crock pot. I'm going to seal that up, and we're going to let that cook for about 1.5 hours.
Australia's own car.
Australia, what's your favourite sport?
Football.
Snack?
Pies.
Animal?
Kangaroos.
And what's your favourite car, Australia?
Holden.
Let me see, that's football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars, huh?
Right.
Well, you sure sound like Australia to me.
We are.
Well, then you better tell me again, because I just might forget.
We love football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars. Football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
That's football, meat pies, kangaroos and Holden cars.
Football and meat
So while we're waiting for the mixture for the pie to cook, I've got some little moulds which I thought were quite fun to do. They've got the koala, the kangaroo and the Australian map. And I'm going to just melt some leftover chocolate bits that we've got of white chocolate and milk chocolate, and I thought we'll make some little chocolates. We'll just pop them into the microwave until they're melted. There are so many great stories about Australia, its culture and its people. Australia is a multicultural nation with Australians born here or overseas. I was born in a place called Rotorua in New Zealand. My family moved us to Australia when I was young. After finishing school and starting my own family with a great husband, what a woman could ever ask for, I decided to become an Australian citizen.
Oh, that's lovely.
It was on Australia Day 23 years ago. All right, we've got the melted chocolate, so we'll just give that a little bit of a mix around so it's nice and smooth. We're just going to prepare the pastry. I've got the short crust pastry, just the Pampers brand, but any brand will do. Now I prefer the short crust pastry on my base and my top. It's my preference. Some people like to have the short crust on the bottom and then the puff on top, which is totally fine. It's really up to you. Oh, look at that beautiful goodness in there. Now, we had a bit of a malfunction with the good old pie maker. She's a new one from Kmart. And she decided not to start. So what we're going to do is, ideally in the working world, you could do really nice little pies in a little machine like this. But because she decided not to work for our special Australia Day celebration, we're going to use the pie dish. We're going to pop some pastry into the dish. So we'll just layer that as needed. So now we've got the pastry in the pie dish, and I've got this beautiful lamb meat sauce going in. We're just going to start populating the dish. Now we're going to add the lid to the top of our pie, and I'm just going to pop it on like so. That should do us. You could add a bit of cheese on it if you like, or sometimes I do some chopped sliced tomatoes and I just pop them on the top. All right, now that the pastry's all on, we're going to pop this baby into the oven, just on about 150, and we'll cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes, just until the pastry's nicely cooked.
G'day. I don't want to interrupt you while you're packing for your holiday down under, but there's one thing I forgot to mention. The language barrier. You see, Australia is the world's biggest island, and as you can appreciate, the accent varies noticeably from one place to another. For instance, down south in historic Hobart, you'll find they greet you like this.
G'day.
Whereas on the west coast, you can detect the Mediterranean influence.
G'day.
Of course, in sun-drenched Queensland, you'll come across the more tropical greeting.
G'day.
While in the great Australian outback,
G'day.
as opposed to the smooth sophistication of our cosmopolitan cities.
G'day.
Now, if you want to know more about Australia, you can get a free copy of the Aussie holiday book just by picking up the phone and saying, "G'day."
G'day, Paul.
Try it with a smile, mate.
G'day, Paul.
Smooth as a gravy sandwich. From Arizona, aren't you?
Oh, long
It's
time.
got the pub there.
So whilst we're waiting for the pie, I've just brought out the little chocolates, and I'll just take them out of their molds. So here's some wonderful sweet treats for Australia Day. Our little koalas, our Aussie kanga, and the little Australia chocolate. While you're at it, if you want to tap into some wonderful tunes, I highly recommend tuning in to Australian Made Music. They play some wonderful Aussie homegrown music by homegrown artists. Okay, so the pie is ready, so I'm going to get her out of the oven and we'll have a look inside. Oh, look at that, peeps. Beautiful. So now we're going to cut up a piece of the pie because I've got some hungry people waiting to dig in. Look at those big lamb chunks. Yummy. Here it is, peeps. My Aussie lamb pie. All ready to go for my cameraman. And don't forget the tomato sauce. Yummy. I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to find out more about this recipe or any others, you can find me on Facebook and YouTube. Have a great Australia Day, peeps. See you next time. Oh.
Jan? Where's our ad in the Yellow Pages directory?
Keep calm. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10.
Not happy, Jan!